Garter stitch. If you knit every row, you will have a stitch called garter stitch. If you purl every row, you're also going to have garter stitch. So here we're just knitting. You knit one row, you flip the yarn, you flip your knitting, and you knit again. Just keep knitting. Knitting every row. Note that this does not apply to knitting in the round. You knit every row for garter stitch only if you're knitting something flat. And this is what garter stitch looks like. We have a few stitches cast on and we are going to purl every row. So we're purling every stitch in every row. Since purl is just the opposite of knit, if you purl every row, you will have the same look as if you were to knit every row. Again, this applies only if you're knitting something flat, such as a rectangular panel, let's say for a sweater, or maybe you're making a scarf or a blanket. If you're knitting in the round and making a hat or a cowl, then this rule does not apply. So we keep just doing purl stitch every row. And we have garter stitch. It looks exactly the same as knit every row.